Listen carefully, because when an economy dies, your wallet becomes nothing but paper. One morning you reach for money, and it has the value of garbage, blowing in the wind. You can't buy food, fuel, or medicine. Everything you depend on suddenly disappears. And each hour becomes a survival puzzle with a timer ticking in the background. The first thing people lose isn't money. It's the illusion that help is coming. And once that illusion cracks, everyone around you becomes unpredictable, even dangerous. So survival begins with one truth. Value doesn't disappear, it changes shape. When money dies, skills become currency. Fixing, purifying, healing, these make you valuable. Even growing a little food turns you into someone others depend on. Small barter items become quiet, kings of a collapsed market. Worth almost nothing today, priceless tomorrow in a blackout. Go. One day without clean water or light, then you'll understand real value. But survival isn't about hoarding, it's about not looking rich in a starving world. In collapse, visibility is vulnerability. Your home must look as hopeless as everyone else's. The moment someone thinks your life is easier than theirs, you become a target. Real resilience isn't fear. It's calm thinking when everything breaks. Trade quietly, never look desperate, and your value rises in the new economy if you can make even a little of what you need. You stop surviving and start controlling. In the ashes of a collapse, the smart and prepared remain standing. Character becomes the only real currency. When money dies,